Hey guys, Mike Hege, Scott Pridemore here for another episode of Charlotte Vlog Series. Today we're in Cotswold. How about that, Mike?
I'm excited to be in Cotswold. I tell you what, this is one of the most fabulous parts of Charlotte. It represents every type of home since the 1950s.
Oh, for sure. I mean, really, homes have been developed in Cotswold at every year. Here we are in 2021. So let's talk about the many benefits of living in the greater Cotswold area.
Absolutely. Cotswold has got so many different vibrant communities, almost micro communities. Randolph Park, like Old Cotswold, like Sherwood Forest, to name a few.
Absolutely, yeah, and Providence Park. And the small area known as Cotswold has grown and expanded, and now is really between Foxcroft, Myers Park, and even Oakhurst on the north side.
Wow, absolutely. And one thing that's like a differentiator with Cotswold is these amazing village shops and shopping center that seems to be sprawling right in the middle of the city.
Absolutely. Some of my favorite restaurants that for me and my family that we've been going to and enjoying for years. The Pizza Peel, Shunli Palace. My daughters still love Panera, and one of my absolute favorite yoga spots, Y2 Yoga.
Let's talk about pricing.
Oh, absolutely. So the pricing is especially diverse. So really you can get a small brick ranch, 3-bedroom, 2-bath for around $550, but the ceiling in Cotswold goes all the way up to $2.5 million. And that honestly is changing, it seems like week by week, and increasing. Cotswold is still somewhat of a bargain compared to other communities nearby like Myers Park or Eastover, but it has all of the same benefits that these other neighborhoods have. So with the Cotswold Streetscape, you have varying types of architecture, as well as a streetscape where you have a parkway style median. You'll see that in Cotswold, much like you'll see in Myers Park and some other neighborhoods.
Yeah, and the lot sizes, these tend to be a little bit wider and a little bit deeper than certainly what you see.
Mike, one of the many things I love about Cotswold is how the streets are very walkable, very kid-friendly. Having been a Cotswold resident for many years, I can just remember many times where my daughters would just get on the bike or walk up to Cotswold Shopping Center, go get a Starbucks, and you know, Toys & Co. when they were around. I think it's another toy shop, but they enjoyed, and we did as well, the proximity and the walkability. Mike, you know, Cotswold also has one of your favorite establishments. You want to take any guess what that is?
Hey, it's Chick-fil-A.
Absolutely.
Can't go wrong there.
That's always a family favorite. Another little known benefit about living in Cotswold is its proximity to Charlotte Swim and Racquet Club.
That's right, that's a pretty robust program over there.
Well, it's a fantastic pool facility, lots of activities and summer camps for kids, world-class tennis facility.
And Scott, so many people want to know about the schools here. We have some phenomenal private and public options.
Myers Park High School, Alexander Graham Middle, Cotswold Elementary, and Eastover Elementary. And then we're so close to many of the private schools.
People come from all over the city to experience shopping here that is only unique to this area.
That's exactly right, Mike. The Cotswold Marketplace attracts folks from all over the city who want to see what local artists are selling.
Scott, let's talk a little bit about the proximity and how fantastic of a location that this area has to offer.
Oh yeah, the Cotswold area really is close to everything in Charlotte. The airport, 20 minutes, Uptown, 15 minutes, South Park, 10 minutes. I mean, there's just so much generally in the vicinity. You have 2 major hospitals within 8 minutes of Cotswold.
And not to mention major banking, the stadium, a litany of things to do just around the corner.
This has been fantastic, really sharing what we love most about the Cotswold area and everything that Cotswold brings for its residents.
Absolutely, it's been a lot of fun touring Cotswold, and there's so many great places to see and do and experience right here in the heart of Cotswold. Hopefully we provided value to you as a listener and audience. We really appreciate you watching this video and engaging with us.